Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to send money to IBAN on Revolut. So let's get into the video. Firstly, open up Revolut and log into your account. So I'm going to open up my Revolut and logging in now. Okay, so once I've logged in, so once you're on your home page here, what you're going to do, click on the transfer tab here below. So click on the transfer tab, and then once you are here, then you're going to click on the new option here on your top right. Click on new, and you'll see quite a lot of options here, but we are going to focus on bank recipient. That's what we need. So click on bank recipient. So when you click on bank recipient here, and you should see a page where you can enter the account details. Like my screen might be blank out due to the privacy reasons as I'm screen recording it. But once you get here, what you have to do, you can choose the country whom you're going to send it to. Like for example, choose any country, for example like Finland. So I'm choosing Finland, and then you will see all the account details and also the IBAN option there. You should see the IBAN option where you can plug in the IBAN number and all other details, banking details. Then once you're done with it, just hit on add recipient and then proceed with the transaction. So that's how you send money to using IBAN on Revolut. So hope this video is helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.